we're going to replace the badges around the car. Just that's a standard blue and white propeller badge with the anniversary badges. So there we go. Got one of these off one of the local BMW club members. We got them for the wheels, we got them for the front and rear, and steering wheel, and a little one M Performance for the dash we can put on there. So we'll start with the wheels. First thing we're gonna do, jack up the car, take off the wheels. Okay, to pop these out, pretty simple. I'll just go with my thumb and pop it out from the back.
And then you put the new one in, cut to the opposite.
Now we will do these OCD style, and that's something that when I had the Porsche, you have to line up the crest with the valve stem. But on this car, we'll line it up, yeah, with that M badge. So where's the M badge? Okay, that's the M badge there. And we'll take this without getting my dirty fingers all over it. Just lining up the line here with the spoke. And just knock it in. There we go.
That's one.
Done. So with that done, we've just got 3 more to go. So we'll get the others back end up and change those ones over. Line that up. I'll just hold it in that.
And pink, pink, pink.
That's it. Peel away. Ooh, badgy. All right, we'll do the front badge. And we don't want to mark anything here. It's down in a little crevice. We got some plastic trim tools. A few different ones. We'll see which one works best. And we'll try to get a couple layers of tape, particularly like the top and bottom. Just to protect it. Yeah, just to protect it. So the way this badges work, it's a little bit of double-sided tape. It's got 2 pins here and here. So we just need to
pop the pins off and...
Yeah, we just need and kind of slowly pry up. Now if it's really cold where you are, you might want to put the hair dryer on this to warm it up a bit, warm up that glue from the double-sided tape, but it's warm where we are. So let's try this one first. So we'll just get in there and
pull.
This one, it might be a bit soft, this trim tool. Some of these are a bit cheap and a bit cheap.
Rigid.
This one's more rigid for sure. So we'll try to get that under there. Oh, there we go. I can hear it.
You can hear it.
Hear the tape releasing. Okay. Just slow and steady with this one.
You must tame the badge.
What's what?
Tame the badge.
Try saying that again. Oh, that's making
You must
it nice.
tame the badge. Become one with the badge.
All right, let's try popping out the badge here. Get another tool. Try to keep it on the tape area. There we go.
It is now.
Just slowly. If you look on the back here, you see the tape slowly
Releasing.
Slowly releasing. There it is. There we go. Oh, this one doesn't have 2 pins in it. This one's got 2 locating little nubs there. Okay, so we're going to do, I'll just grab a microfiber and we'll give us a quick wipe down to get rid of that dirt. There's some dirt under the badge. So we got some 3M double-sided tape. Oh, it's no, sorry, Scotch brand. But the heavy-duty 3M stuff will be fine. This is the extreme stuff. And we're going to cut it into strips here and kind of make it go around the edges.
Wait, it is 3M.
Does it say 3M?
Yeah.
Oh, it does say 3M. So it's, all right, this 3M branded Scotch tape. So I'll put a link in the description for this stuff. Probably able to get it on Amazon, no problem. So we'll start putting this on. We'll cut it in little pieces and stick it around.
Yay.
Okay, we've gone around, double-sided tape all around. Don't need in the middle because it's, well, concave, so you don't need to do that. And we'll start peeling off the other side of this, and we'll get ready to stick it on. All right, I got all the backing off now. I highly recommend you have fingernails for this because it's not easy to do without. And of course, some of these I've seen with the locating little things there. And that's just a bit of the old glue. And we're just gonna line this up. Try to get it nice and straight right in the middle. We're fairly even in the indent. Yep. And there we go. We'll commit to there. That's our spot. And we're sticking with it. Cool. All right. Well, that's good. We'll just put some weight on it. This tape you just got to hold for like 30 seconds, so we'll just keep some weight on it, and there we go. And now for the satisfying part. Peeling off the protective film to reveal, yes, a very nice anniversary badge. I like the look of that a lot better on this white than just the plain blue. A little bit of color. One thing this car is kind of bland, so that's a nice little treat for it. Now it's time to do the back. Now we also have one for here. Now this is just a double-sided tape, and this is obviously an aftermarket one, and it just fits over top of the original. So what we're gonna do, kind of annoying, I've got my steering wheels on an angle right now, but we'll just line that up and stick it on. And I'm really hoping that this doesn't become a projectile in an accident and stab me in the face, or a bit of shrapnel. But let's just, okay, I've got that peeled off, and I'm just gonna lightly kind of line it up. Now, if that is off, that is really gonna be irritating. But that looks pretty straight up and down there. Actually, probably the best way to look is just looking on the camera. Gonna line up the grid lines and the horn lines with the grid, and that's pretty close. A little bit of a turn to the right. I think that's it. Now, I don't want to honk the horn. Shh. But that's it. We'll peel that off. We're done. Now, I couldn't probably push it on as hard as I need to because it keeps setting off the horn. And it's nighttime, and I don't want to piss off my neighborhood. But the tape is stuck at least, so there we go. Interior one is done. Okay, let's do the rear. So I've taped it up. We'll go with the pry tool again. Just try to get under the edge here. Come on. There we go. Takes a bit of prying. She's probably gonna get two. If I get two, I can lift it. Oh, that's up now. There we go. That's up. Oh, that pops right off. So the rear one has two plugs on it and no tape. So we'll, that came off real easy. So I think we might put a little bit of tape on there just to make it stay on. Okay, I got a little bit of tape on there, top and bottom. Not much, just to keep it from accidentally coming off, or someone from just walking by and ripping it quickly. Just gonna get that started. Okay, now lining this up, much easier. We just get it upright, put the pegs in the holes, and then we push it in. And we'll hold the top and bottom for 30 seconds. Let that tape sit in. Okay, that is stuck on. Peel that off and there we go, done. That is the Heritage badge installed on the back. So yeah, pretty easy to install all these, and changes the adds a little bit of color to this otherwise pretty plain car.